Looks like this'll be a cool breeze.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Rayfield's mine.
What are you doing?
Get you, Carlos.
Drop your weapons.
Don't move! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are!
Hands where I can see them. Nice and slow.
On the ground, motherfuckers, now!
Jackie Wells, my old pal from the hood. See you haven't grown an ounce white.
Hey! Detective Stins. Been a while, huh?
Inspectors.
Same shit.
Speaking of, your mug's familiar too. Come on, spit it out. I'm waiting. Left for Atlanta, looking for a slice of happiness. Guess you didn't find it. I've always maintained it's the same for all you termites in Haywood. Born here, live here, die here. Looks like I was right. Rat got your tongue?
Come on, Stins. Give us a break, huh? You lock us up, I just jerk off till trial. And then what? Worst case, we get some months. Hell, standing room only nowadays in El Bote. So, they'll probably be out early. Give us a break, huh? You lock us up, I just jerk off till trial. And then what? Worst case, we get some months. Hell, standing room only nowadays in El Bote. So, they'll probably be out early.
Are these the thieves? Ordinary street trash.
Got him in custody, Mr. Fujioka. We'll be taking him now.
It's a waste of effort. I have no time to testify or play at an investigation.
Suggesting we let him go, sir?
I suggest you toss them in the sea. Cuff legs broken so this trash doesn't float.
You heard him. Fuck.
Looks like this'll be a cool breeze.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Rayfield's mine.
What are you doing?
Get you, Carlos.
Drop your weapons.
Don't move! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are!
Hands where I can see them. Nice and slow.
On the ground, motherfuckers, now!
Jackie Wells, my old pal.
Contract is complete. You're cleared for higher payouts. Clock's ticking. Get to the target. Friendly UAV overhead.
Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening.
Now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out? Who will affect the game? And who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
And in with a real chance. There it is! The first goal in the derby. A special moment.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Well, danger here as he runs at them. But they took care of the situation defensively. Just not looking confident in possession. Wonderful chance. In it goes to square the game. What a contest this is turning out to be. Well, nights like these.
Pointed.
Well-timed tackle.
Oh, what a great chance this is, Derek.
Oh, it's in! The opening goal in the derby, and listen to what it means.
Well, just look at how poor the defending is here. But I have to say, it's still a very tidy finish. He looked really assured there.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Chances on. Well, we could have made that decision from up here on the gantry.